Hello, dear subscribers and new visitors. Welcome to Pure Delicious. Cut 1 carrot into small cubes. Cut 2 medium-sized potatoes into small cubes. Today I'm making the quick, easy, healthy, and of course delicious recipes. Perfect for busy days or when you want a wholesome meal without too much effort. Heat up 2 tablespoons olive oil over medium heat. Dear friends, which part of this amazing world are you watching me from? Please write in the comments. I'm so excited to know that. Put on the lid and cook the veggies for 5 minutes. We need 2 chicken breasts, about 350 grams. Cut them into small pieces. As I mentioned in the last video, 100 grams of chicken breast provides 31 grams protein. Pairing it with vegetables is a great way to fuel your body with lean protein and essential nutrients. Toss the veggies and cook for another 5 minutes, until they're soft. Add salt to your taste. Remove then from the pan and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add the chicken. Season with salt and pepper. Let it cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, cut about 150 grams broccoli florets. Add to the pan and toss around for 2 minutes. Take 2 green onions, cut the white parts, keep the green parts for garnishing. Add to the pan and stir around for another 2 minutes. Return the carrots and potatoes. Add 150 grams cream along with a ½ cup of water. Black pepper. A ½ teaspoon ground nutmeg. Mix gently to combine. Protein, fiber, and nutrients all in one plate. Chicken and veggies just make sense. Garnish with green onion and Parmesan cheese. Super easy and packed with flavors and nutrients. Just perfect. Now, let's dive into the second amazing recipe. The second recipe is a quick 1-pan chicken with crisp, tender veggies coated in a tasty sauce. The sauce really enhances the flavor of the dish. Cut 1 zucchini into small pieces. Cut 180 grams mushrooms. When summer hits, I load up on vegetables. They're crisp, full of flavor, and make any dish feel fresh and healthy. I try to sneak them into almost every meal. Dice 1 carrot. This dish cooks really fast, so I prepare the veggies beforehand. That helps cooking run smoothly. Two cups diced cabbage. I'm using purple cabbage. I love its lovely color. Besides, it's loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments that give it the purple color, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. White part of green onion, a half cup. We need 1 teaspoon minced ginger and 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Chicken stock, a half cup. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, brown sugar or honey, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, an 1/8 teaspoon. And juice from half of a lemon. Mix well and set aside for later. Heat up 3 tablespoons oil over medium-high heat. Add 500 grams ground chicken or turkey. Cook and crumble for 7 to 8 minutes until cooked through. Add the minced ginger and garlic and cook for 1 minute. Add the veggies and cook for 4–5 minutes, stirring often to cook evenly. Add 2 tablespoons water to deglaze the pan. We cook the veggies to the point that they become a bit tender, but still crispy. Add the sauce and cook for 3 more minutes. Dear friends, if you like my recipes, hit the like button and share it with family and friends. That helps a lot, and I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss the future recipes. Garnish with green onion and sesame seeds. This plate is pure goodness. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.